in the Swartland there's a lot of good white wine. The area is very suited to Chenin Blanc. So I started making a white wine. The wine's launched this year and we'll have a taste just now.
Sounds great. Right, Danie, here I've got Springbok carpaccio with some Melba toast, which is just like toasted baguettes that I made. Parmesan, salt, pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of lemon juice just to freshen it up a bit. I think this goes well with the wines.
Right. The Chenin Blanc was very well with it. Drops of lemon juice on that and the citrus in the Chenin Blanc complements each other very well.
Yeah, I agree.
The rosé is also very nice with it. Yeah, I think it's the backbone, the acidity of the rosé.
Yeah.
There's an old Afrikaans saying, smaak na nog. So I'll do the nog.